This is the motor calibration feature. So initially, servos are a little off from each other. You can see it kind of goes at a slight angle. I've hooked up buttons 1 and 3 to increase and decrease one of the servos, and buttons 2 and 4 to increase and decrease the rate of rotation of the other servo. So after pressing 1 a bunch of times, it'll increment it for 1, and 3 will decrement it, and the same likewise. So I'm going to go ahead and try to press them a little bit to get them in sync. So I just decremented one of the servos a lot. So now one of the wheels is basically not turning. So this is going forward, but one of the wheels basically doesn't turn at all because I decremented it so much. So now I reset one of the servos to be pretty normal, and then I decremented the other one a little bit to try to calibrate it. Now it goes pretty straight when it goes forward. A lot better than normal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and decrement the opposite motor so you can see that it's going to turn the opposite way, one of the wheels, and basically won't turn at all the other one. Yeah, so now basically decremented one of the motors to have like a coefficient of 0, and so now it's going to, this is when I'm pressing forward. Now basically one of the motors is stopped and the other one is going normally, so it's basically turning by going forward. And then if I want to undo that and recalibrate it back to normal, go ahead and do that. Yeah, so now it's going pretty straight again. After mashing that button a bunch of times, it's got the coefficients pretty much aligned now. And so yeah, that's the motor calibration using the 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons.